In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix the Coco Live Chat app not working. So if you're also having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I did firstly is that I closed my Coco Live Chat app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And now on the settings app, I just scrolled down right here as you can see, and then I clicked on general. So click on general, scroll down in here once again and click on storage. And now you're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load all of the apps here. Now scroll up, click on search, search for Coco here and click on the Coco app. Now click on offload app and once again click on offload app down below here. Now just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the reinstall app button. So I'm just going to click on download here and now you're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for it to completely update to its latest version. I did this myself and when it was done, I just went back into the app and now it actually works perfectly for me. So try this and hopefully it's going to work for you as well.